Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. This cute keychain holder cozy is fantastic to protect your valuables and your keys when they're in your purse. So simply pull your keys out when you use them and pull them back in when you want to protect them and store them. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along. It has a mystery effect to it because you don't know which pattern will be published each day. There will be 24 free crochet patterns out of 30. You can get the entire 30 crochet patterns in an ebook. It's all last-minute gift ideas. If you would like to get the ebook, check the link down below in the description or my website. The entire event is sponsored by Lion Brand. So let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to crochet the keychain cozy, you're going to need some cotton yarn. I'm using Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton yarn in the color Aqua. I'm also using a G+ crochet hook. You will also need a little snap, a button, a magnetic snap of some sort, and a key ring. You will need a chain of 20. If you have a lot of keys, you may need to add additional chains to it. You can test this out and see if this width is enough in order to cover your keys. If it's not enough, add additional chains to make it a multiple of 2. When you're done, slip stitch to the first chain and crochet 1 single crochet per chain. You will end up with an even number, so in my case that is 20. Once you're done, you're now going to use the Suzette stitch. So crochet 1 single crochet in the first stitch and also a double crochet in the first stitch. Now you're going to skip the next stitch and then again 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet, both in the same stitch. Then skip a stitch and repeat. Continue on this pattern until you have 14 rounds of the Suzette stitch. Then fasten off and weave in your ends up here. If your end is fairly long, you can use it now to sew your piece on the bottom together, but you need a small opening. Before we get to that though, you need one additional piece. You're going to need to crochet one of these. So this is just single crochet stitches. You're going to make a chain of 5 and then 1 single crochet per chain, starting from the second chain from the hook, and crochet in rows 4 single crochets per row until it's about 6 inches long. Then you're going to fold this piece over and sew the last row to this piece so that you have a little bit of a loop here, and add your key ring into it. On the other side, you're going to add a snap, a button of some sort, and the opposite side of that you're going to add right here. And that is where the bigger opening is, right here. On the bottom is where you're now going to sew this piece together. However, you need to make sure that there is an opening. This piece is going to be pulled through in this direction. So that means you're going to sew a little bit here on this side and a little bit here on this side and keep an opening so that you can pull this through. Let me show you. So I'm going to sew just a bit on this side. I'm just going to go back and forth and then make a knot. I will check on my piece to make sure it will go through. I can go one more time here. Now I'm going to make a small knot that is not visible, just so that it doesn't move. If I now weave it through here, it doesn't move this piece. So small knot. Now weave through just past your piece and now sew this side together. Again, a small knot and fasten off and weave in your ends. And now you're done. So let's pretend that this is my key and it would be attached right here. You put your keys into the ignition and this just hangs down. But when you're done and you want to put it into your purse, you're going to pull right here. And once it's on the inside, you can simply close this with the snap. You have a few different choices to get this pattern in a written format. Number 1 is my website. It does have ads, but you can view the pattern for free. Number 2 is you can get it as a PDF through Ravelry or Etsy. It's ad-free and printer friendly. Number 3 is my membership, And you're not only going to get this pattern ad-free and printer-friendly, but you also get all my other patterns in a vault, easy to access, printer-friendly, and ad-free. And number 4 is the ebook that includes all 30 last-minute gift idea patterns. All 30 come with videos. And the entire ebook is a PDF. It's easy to print out and it's ad-free. In fact, it even includes the feature that you can click in a table of content and jump right to the pattern. So 4 different options for you to get this pattern in a written format. Which one will you choose? Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.